Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic how to evaluate the postfix expression. Already we have discussed 3 examples. This is the 4th example. Evaluate the expression 546 plus star 493 division plus multiplication. So here they have given directly the postfix expression itself. Suppose if they have given the infix expression in the sense, you need to convert the infix expression into postfix expression. Then only we can able to evaluate using stack data structure. So here to evaluate the postfix expression, we need 3 columns. What is the input character we are going to scan, the stack data structure, and the postfix evaluation comments you need to write it here. The postfix expression is 546 plus star 493 division plus and then multiplication. And what is the algorithm? First step is we need to add a closed parenthesis at the end of the postfix expression. This represents the end of the expression evaluation. So when you reach here, when you are encountering the input character closed parenthesis in the sense, the expression evaluation comes to an end. That is the meaning. Next step is whenever you are encountering an operand, push it onto the stack. Whenever you are encountering an operator, pop the top 2 elements from the stack and implement the corresponding operation, you will get a result. That result you have to push back into the stack. So this procedure continues until all the elements in the postfix expression, that is the input character, it has been scanned. And once you reach this closed parenthesis as an input character, the compiler comes to know that the expression evaluation comes to an end. There is no more input characters to read. Okay. So this procedure continues until you will scan all the input characters. Okay. So first, initially stack is empty. The first character is 5. It is an operand. So if it is an operand, push it onto the stack. Push 5 into the stack. Now 5 will be placed in the stack and the remaining input characters are 4, 6 plus multiplication, 493 division plus and then multiplication, close bracket. Okay. And the next input character is 4. 4 is an operand. So push 4 into stack. Already 5 is there. Now we are placing 4 in the sense 4 will occupy the top element. So now 4 will represent the top element. In stack, this will be the structure. And the remaining input characters are 6 plus star 493 division plus multiplication, close bracket. And the next input character is 6. 6 is an operand, so push 6 into the stack. And remaining input characters are plus multiplication, 493 division plus multiplication. And here the stack contents are 5, 4 and 6 will be there. Now the top element is 6. And the next step, input character is plus. Plus is an operator. So pop the top 2 elements from the stack. So pop, first 6 will be popped and then 5 will be popped. Pop the top 2 elements. Then implement the operation. Operation here is addition. So here 4 plus 6 you have to implement. The result you will get it as 10. Now the result you have to push back into the stack. You are popping the top 2 elements from the stack and you are implementing the corresponding operation and then push the result back into the stack. What is the result? It is 10. Now 5 is at the bottom. We are not going to disturb 5. Only top 2 elements we have popped and we have implemented this addition operation. So now 5 is at the bottom and the result of this expression is 10. The 10 you have to push back into the stack again. And then multiplication operator, 493 division plus multiplication, closed parenthesis should be there. Okay. And next comes the multiplication operation. So whenever you are encountering an operator, you have to pop the top 2 elements from the stack and you have to implement the corresponding operation. So here the top element is 10. So first you will pop 10 and then you will pop 5 and then you have to implement the operation 5 into 10. Okay. the multiplication operation you have to implement, and the result you will get it as 50, and now the result you have to push back into the stack, and stack content is 50 now. Okay, and the remaining input characters are 4, 9, 3, division plus multiplication, closed parenthesis. Okay, and next input character is an operand, so push this operand 4 into the stack, and the remaining input characters 9, 3, division plus star, closed parenthesis, and you have pushed 4 into stack. Now 4 will be at the top of the stack. Next input character is 9, 9 is an operand, so push 9 into the stack. Now 50, 4 and 9, the current element you have pushed into the stack, that will occupy the top position. Remaining input characters are 3, division plus multiplication, close bracket. And next, it is an operand, this 3 also you have to push it into the stack. Now the stack content are 50, 4, 9 and 3. Okay, and the remaining input characters are division plus multiplication, close bracket. So here next input character is division. Pop the top 2 elements and you have to implement the division operation. So pop 3 and 9, then implement 9 divided by 3. The result you will get it as 3. Push 3 into the stack. The result you have to push back into the stack again. Okay. So the stack contents are 54. It will be there. These 2 elements we are not going to disturb. Only the top 2 elements we have popped and we have implemented this division operation. Now the stack content will be 54 and 3 will be there. Next is addition, multiplication, close bracket. Next is the operator addition. So pop top 2 elements. So top 2 elements are 3 and 4. Then implement the addition operation. Okay. So if you are implementing, you will get it as 7. And the result you have to push back into the stack again. The result is 7. Okay. So the stack content will be 50 and 7 will be there. And next is multiplication operator. Now the top 2 elements you have to pop it and you have to implement multiplication. So 50 into 7. The result you will get it as 350. Now the result you have to push back into the stack. 350 you have to push back into the stack. The remaining input character is only closed parenthesis. So the next input character you are going to scan here is closed parenthesis. So whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, it represents the end of the expression evaluation. That is, expression evaluation comes to an end. There is no more input character to scan. So exit. Algorithm will comes to an end. And what is the result of this expression? The result is 350. Okay. So how we will implement actually? The manual evaluation, how we will implement in the sense. So this will help for your competitive exams. 546 plus star 493 division plus star. Okay. So manually, how we will evaluate the postfix expression in the sense, you have to select together 2 operands with operator. So wherever 2 operands with operator is there, that you can choose. So here 4, 6 plus is there. So you will get it as 10 here. Multiplication. Again, this is 9, 3 division is there. So 9 divided by 3, you will get it as 3. Okay. Next is, this is 5, 10 multiplication. So you will get it as 50. Here 4, 3 plus, it is 7 and multiplication operator. Now if you are implementing, you will get the result 350. So this is the simple way to evaluate the postfix expression manually. In computer, if you are considering, the evaluation will carry out all these steps. Okay. So this is the easy method to solve and to get the result. Thank you for watching this video.